Hey guys, this is me, Sally again. Welcome back to my brand new video. And today I am getting ready for the party. And I kind of thought that I am going to go with traditional makeup today, traditional attire and everything. So I'm going to show the video just about that. So we are going for a dinner party. So I am going to keep my makeup little bit of dark. Okay, I'm going with a dark theme today. Even though my suit is little bit of in a lighter tone, but I'm still going to go with little bit of transcendent, little bit of darkish theme. Even though it doesn't give uh the total smoky vibe, but I'm going to do some experiments. So keep watching and stay with me. If you want to, you can get ready with me. This is totally personal opinion of mine that I have tried matte foundation, powder foundation, and the liquid one. But even though I'm not a big fan of a powder foundation and everything, but I do not like the matte foundation. I have tried it, and matte version I did not like this at all, because it seems like somewhere down the line it skips uneven, and I just don't like it. It's not for me, even though I like the liquid foundation a lot, and I'm going to still keep focusing, just keep using that. And that's totally personal opinion of mine. If you find anything really good matte foundation, please do use, but I don't think I'm going to get used to the matte foundation concept and everything. So I'm going to just ignore that. I'm just going to skip that. I am going to use this palette. I'm using this one, and it's kind of a little bit of tannish olive and a little bit of darker tone than mine, so I'm just going to use on the base of it. Yeah, I'm going to use the combination of this one and that one. Not give the traditional vibe, it should be a little bit of subtle, and that's why I'm going to tap this on a combo of two bronze colors. Do I need to go for more? Or is it okay? Do I need to go for bigger wings? I don't know. Probably I can make it a little bit of wider. Yeah. Is my golden glitter showing? Yep. When I get do my eye makeup or eyeliner or something, I cannot talk. I have to give my full concentration to my eyes, you know. Otherwise, if it will get a little bit of messy, then my whole makeup will just put me down. To use the mascara now. Saying that there was a time when I used to love doing the eyeshadows, the color combinations, the whole eyeliner, eye makeup kind of thing. I usually really love that in my makeup. But now just it's all about my cheeks. I mean the bronzer, the contour, the blush, the highlighter. I really love the highlighters. So it just changed, you know, time after time, the faces, it just keeps shifting. But it's not quite shifting for long enough for me, the cheeks, makeup and everything. So yeah, it's still sticking. A little bit of pink blush shouldn't hurt, I guess. Yeah. Will it work with the peach color tone? Or is it too bright? I'm just going to make it a little bit of subtle, you know, just not very much pop up or something. I really don't want that today. Okay. I'm going with this one. This little bit of brownish tannish tone will probably make it up. Probably it will subtle the color, the tone. Is it making it subtle? No, I don't want this brown. This will probably work out. Yeah, it's not bad. It gives a little bit of sweet, orangish, reddish tone. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Okay, so I am a little bit of late and I need to hurry up. I have to put my jewelries in 1 minute. Okay, so I'm going to wear this scarf right here. So give it a little bit of classy yet a little bit of chic vibe. So I'm going to wear this and here this one like this. It just looks like little combo of bracelets or something, but all I have wear is cups. And I'm going to wear this flowery beautiful bracelet as I have shown you on my previous video. So this is in this, yeah, and this beautiful flowery ring right in the middle. And I'm going to wear this here and this croissant ring right here. I'm going to wear this. Nope, this one. Yeah, this combo looks nice. Okay, and this is my whole attire. This is the dupatta. Beautiful embroidery work in the bottom and the peach colors, peach and ash combo right here. And I have wear this beautiful maroon hijabs to give it a little bit of Turkish, little bit of different, little bit of pop-up vibe. So yeah, there with us. And I'm going to this. I'm ready for the party. Enjoy this video, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel and ring the notification bell to get notified every time new videos pops up. So I'm ready and now I'm gonna go. See you guys later. Bye.